Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. So in this hackathon, I would like to cover an exciting opportunity. So it is known as Native.builder Build Without Limits Innovation Hackathon. You can turn your idea into a deployed AI native product. So the hackathon will take place online from August 3rd to August 10th. So the official Native.builder hackathon, which is hosted by Natively AI and LabLab.ai. So you can come and register for it. So they are offering various opportunities for you. So you have to go here and describe your idea, generate your application, redefine or refine, design and experience, then add workflows and integrations, test and improve, deploy and share. So you can build without limits. How quickly can you transform a valuable idea into a functional product that real users can experience? So that is what they are checking with this competition. So they have also given some example project ideas like startup validation program, personal research agents and things like that. So you can come and apply for it. So they're gonna announce the prices pretty soon. So until then you can go ahead and register for it. I think it will be a great opportunity for you. So the event schedule is also mentioned here. So 3rd August they will kickstart the hackathon. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and to stay updated about various opportunities like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Idea Mela. Thank you very much.